Dear friends, I am Dipti from class 6C, student of KV Dharwad. My science teacher name is Dimple Parekh ma'am. Today I am going to show you an experiment of sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Before starting the experiment, we must know about sedimentation, decantation and filtration. Sedimentation means the process of settle down of heavy particles is called sedimentation. Decantation, the process of transferring water without disturbing the heavy particles is called decantation. Filtration, filtration is separation of finer particles from the decanted water using the filter paper is. Let me start the experiment. For this experiment, the materials needed are 3 glasses and 1 filter paper. So in one glass, I had filled with the mixture of mud and water, as you can see. Leave for some time, and after some time, the heavier particles will settle down. And heavier particles are settled down, and this process is called sedimentation. And we have to pour this water into the another glass slowly without disturbing the below particles. See, you can see here. And this process is called decantation. The collected water is called decanted water. So still here are some finer impurities. So we have to filter this water. So for this filtration method, we need a filtered paper, and pour this decanted water into the filtered paper. And here the drops are coming down. So it will take some time, and the uses of filtered paper is it just absorb finer particles and leave the pure water into the glass. So I had filtered this water and I had collected in another glass. Have you seen the difference between these two? Before these 3 processes, the water is like this, and after the filtration, we get the pure water. You can use this water for domestic purposes. From this experiment, we can conclude that conserve water, conserve life. Thank you for watching this video.